Seeing the manufacturing process of the seamless hotel, I finally realized why the seamless hotel is called an irreplaceable high-precision product. Just one hot pressing requires a 1,500-ton extruder to complete the phenomenon machine. When the finished product appears, everyone is amazed. Today, we will delve into the manufacturing secrets of the seamless hotel square pavilion. The first step in manufacturing aluminum alloy square tubes is to first transport the solid aluminum ingots forward in batches. And then, with a push from behind, they proceed to the first round of heating. The temperature is displayed in real time on the screen, and only when it reaches the prerequisite of 526 degrees will it slowly move outward from the other side. Aluminum is different from other metals. For example, iron turns red when heated, but aluminum, even when heated to melting, retains its original color. However, there is a very important step to take before extrusion. So, we move to the second ring to install the mold. This is the greatest mystery in aluminum alloy forming. Different inner holes produce different shapes. Then, the worker picks up a brush from the side and approaches the extruder, vigorously waving it at the punch. Under the effect of grease, the surface quickly ignites with blazing flames. Its other main function is lubrication, which can make the extrusion process more efficient, thereby reducing the proportion of surface damage caused by excessive main force. The machine will immediately stop and simultaneously open the saw blade to cut, ensuring the square tube remains at the same size. The mechanical vehicle also arrives at the preset point. After the grab head is securely fixed, it can drag and move forward. At this point, an aluminum alloy piece as long as 10 meters is basically formed. The automated operation seems time-saving and labor-saving, and manual adjustment is only relied upon when the machine cannot be controlled. For example, at this step, the worker is adjusting the lengths on both sides to ensure that the length remains consistent during the transfer process. As the square tube takes shape, it moves on to the second step. The production of seamless round tubes for hotels is quite different in terms of craftsmanship compared to the previous one. For instance, in the scene we are looking at, with the help of different molds, it can even extrude 4 tubes at once. Compared to before, the efficiency is much higher. Moreover, the round tubes undergo a special cooling process. And if you look closely, you can see large fans installed on the ceiling. By moving slowly, the round tubes can be cooled down, although the movement is a bit slow. So, do you know why these tubes are called seamless hotel tubes? It's because seamless tubes are formed by hot extrusion of solid aluminum rods, whereas seam tubes are formed by welding aluminum coils. Since seamless tubes are extruded as a whole, they have a stable structure. They are often used in high-pressure environments, or the air conditioning in your home might use tubes. Both sides have been flattened by the workers. It seems they are all in the same position, and these positions need removal. This makes the tube more rounded. Then they are transported forward, ready to enter the next step. Before starting, the workers need to move each tube to the auxiliary rack for placement. After being naturally stored for 9 hours, they continue to be transferred to another rack for stacking, and the tubes need to be tightly packed against each other. Next, they can enter the heat treatment process. This step is equivalent to tempering and forging, and generally speaking, there are few tempering stages for pipe fittings. This is because most pipe fittings are formed by welding seamed pipes, and metal pipes do not require heating. However, the seamless pipes in front of us are formed by mold extrusion, and there is a very large hidden structure within the pipe body itself. Only tempering can eliminate the internal structural stress of the metal. That's why we see that many hot extrusion forming processes require this heat treatment step. At this point, all aluminum parts have completed tempering. This is the secret behind the manufacturing of seamless aluminum pipes. What do you think about this pipe body process?